Hi, my name is Andy Yu, and this is my 112 term project, Putting Analyzer. So the help page kind of gives you a rundown about how the app works, how the algorithm works, how you get feedback, and also how you use the previous recording feature. We'll go into that once we do the actual demo. So for Putting Analyzer, there are two options that you can do, one being live recording and the other being importing a video. So we'll do the importing video feature first. So here you can simply input an MP4 file of your putting stroke from the directory that the file is being run. And here I want the user to put the key points of the four corners of their putter. In addition, if the user accidentally gets a wrong point, such as that there, you can then click B to get rid of it and re-point again. And now I'm just speeding up this clip in order to kind of show you what's going on in terms of the key points, and the user is basically doing this frame by frame. And the algorithm works by simply getting these points, forming a polynomial curve, and comparing that to an optimal one. So now, after clicking D when you're finished, a rating will pop up along with feedback. Now let's go into the live recording feature. So now using S and E key presses, you can do a live recording video, such as me hitting this putt right here. After the putt is recorded, then you click E and then R to replay that video that you just took. This will take a second to load, but it will load very up soon. So now you can start pressing N to find the start of the putting stroke. This simply goes frame by frame and is similar to the process before with the import video. Then, once you do that, you will then once again use the key points and it will end up spinning a rating. So using this time with the sped up clip, I'll kind of debrief how exactly I got the algorithm to work. And that was, like I said before, comparing it to an optimal arc with each of the key points being separated into a filter, top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. And by doing this, and normalizing this data, we can then do an accurate comparison. And once again, we get a rating here and also specific feedback on how exactly to improve. Now let's look at the previous recording feature. So once again, if you go back into the import video and go to the previous recording, you can see that this is the exact stroke I just made with my recording. And this is how you can pull up the previous recording that you just did. And here I'm just going to put random points here just to kind of illustrate how the algorithm does not necessarily read the video, but is simply based off of the key points. And here I have it sped up again, but just to show you what a bad putting stroke would look like. And there you go, and you get a poor rating with more specific feedback to kind of help you. Thank you. That is Putting Analyzer and my 112 term project.